Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Buse. Today we will cook creamy potatoes in the oven. You can prepare this recipe as a side dish, alongside meat and chicken dishes. You can also choose it as a main dish. The decision is yours. I start by washing the potatoes. I peel them. Then I slice them. I'm washing the potatoes to get rid of the starch. Then I transfer the potatoes to a mixing bowl. I'm adding 200 ml of cream, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I mix them. I lay the potatoes on butter paper. I use a metal tray. You can use whatever tray you have, such as a glass tray. Let's leave them to cook in the preheated 116 degrees oven. When the potatoes are soft and start to brown, let's take them out of the oven and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on them and cook them in the oven until it melts. Our creamy baked potato is ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal! See you next video!